Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Well, this dish is for all the seafood lovers, especially those of you who love prawns. Well, we are going to make a very simple yet delicious prawn rice that you can make in just about 30 minutes. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I have taken 500 grams of fresh prawns. This is smaller in size, cleaned and deveined and kept in a bowl. To this, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri Chilli powder for mild heat, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Coriander Powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix everything well. These spices may look simple, but together they create magic. The cleaned prawns should be dry, so drain and squeeze the water out of them and then add all the masalas. Once the prawns are coated evenly, let them rest for about 30 minutes. This marination step is crucial because this allows the spices to get soaked into the prawns, ensuring every bite is flavorful. For the base, heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a wide pan. When the oil is hot, add the marinated prawns to the pan and increase the flame. Stir fry the prawns for about 1.5 to 2 minutes on high flame. This coconut oil definitely adds a lot of richness and enhances the flavors of this particular dish. You'll notice the prawns curling up and changing color to a vibrant pinkish orange. Prawns cook very quickly, so be very careful not to overcook them. The prawns are cooked to perfection. We can just transfer them to a bowl now. Take a nice big and wide kadai. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee melts, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them splutter. Next, add 5 crushed garlic cloves and roast them. Then add 3 finely chopped onions and a handful of fresh curry leaves. Saute this on medium flame until the onions turn translucent and release a deep sweet aroma. The thinly sliced and nicely sauteed onions are the backbone of this dish and add incredible depth to the final flavor. Now add a pinch of turmeric powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Take pre-cooked rice. Regular raw rice works perfectly fine for this recipe. Make sure the rice is cooked and it's fluffy to avoid clumping. Now add the masala coated fried prawns onto the rice and gently mix everything together on low heat. Just stir it slowly for 2 to 3 minutes, making sure that every grain is coated with that spicy prawn goodness. Once the rice is mixed well with the masala and the prawns, check for seasoning and add a little bit of salt as needed. Finally, garnish with chopped coriander leaves and give it one gentle toss and turn off the flame. Serve this spicy prawn rice nice and hot with some nice cool onion raita or papad by the side. It's perfect for lunch boxes, family meals, or even special weekend cooking. If this prawn rice reached your stomach right through the screen, comment yummy. Well, the aromas are amazing. I'm literally standing and inhaling that. It's just yummy for me. You can check out the prawn biryani which I've made earlier. I'll give you the link in the description below. Now, this dish is prepared with simple ingredients and can be ready in just under 30 minutes. Well, it's time to taste and enjoy this prawn rice. Wow, the flavors are just amazing. Simple flavors, but it tastes great. And the prawn is cooked to perfection. It's so soft and juicy. You don't want to miss this, guys. It's fabulous. So you can see how simple this prawn rice is, but very minimal ingredients. So do give it a try, enjoy, share it with your family and friends, and let me know how it turned out for you guys. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.